2 Kings chapter 5 verses 20 to 27. Explanation. Gehazi was struck with Naaman's leprosy because he succumbed to greed. Colossians 3 verse 5. Paul warned that a desire for wealth can be destructive. 1 Timothy 6 verse 9. Here are just a few examples from scripture besides Gehazi. Ananias dropped dead when a desire for money caused him to lie. Acts 5 verses 5 and 6. The rich young ruler could not enter God's kingdom because his possessions blinded him to his need for Christ. Mark 10 verses 17 to 22. And the rich man who feasted sumptuously and neglected Lazarus was tormented in Hades because he did not share his blessings. Luke 16 verse 23. Source: the Jeremiah Study Bible. My friends, let us be reminded about this. May God bless us all.